Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes to information. In this video we will see how to restore command line. To unhide command line, hit Ctrl+9. Sometime even if you hit shortcut key to unhide command line, it won't work. In that case you need to open Customize User Interface dialog box. To open Customize User Interface, either go to Manage Ribbon tab and then click to Customize User Interface tool. Or go to Status bar and then to Workspace switching and click Customize tab. Here you need to give attention to one thing, the current workspace. At this time drafting and annotation is current workspace. Then click current workspace to customize. Then click plus sign before the palette to expand. And then search for the command line and click. Then in Properties window, try to toggle between the Yes and Do Not Change. Here even if in Yes Show tab, the command line is not showing in Workspace. Switch between Yes and Do Not Change. Finally make it Yes always. See here command line is already active here.